Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching. Alright, so let's begin. If your game won't open, crashes on startup, or gets stuck, just follow these methods one by one. First method is simple, restart your PC. Sometimes background glitches or temporary bugs stop the game from launching. Click on the start menu, select the power icon, and press restart. After your system reboots, try launching the game again. If the issue is still there, go to the next step. Open the search bar and type Task Manager. Open it and look for Ghost Recon Wildlands or any related Ubisoft or game background process running. If you find it, right-click and choose End Task. Close Task Manager and try launching the game again. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to run the game as administrator. Go to your game installation folder, as I don't have that game right now, but I faced same problem and tried these methods and my game started run successfully, so just follow these steps. So go to your game, right click on the Ghost Recon Wildlands executable file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. First check this option and then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now try opening the game again. Next method is updating DirectX. Open your browser and search for DirectX End User Runtime Download. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest DirectX End User Runtime. Install it properly and restart your PC after installation. If the game still won't launch, set it to high performance mode. Open settings from the search bar and then go to System. Then go to Display, scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Find Ghost Recon Wildlands in the list, if not, add it manually. Click on it, select options and choose high performance. Save the changes and close the settings. After that, restart your computer again and test the game. If the problem continues, check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Sometimes missing or pending updates can cause launch issues. Install any available updates and restart your PC. By following these steps one by one, most launch problems should be fixed. And that's it. This is how you can fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.